more salsa. Good job, Barles.
I see you. I see you.
Oh, that's so fun. Bang!
Take his hat off. Sally.
Here's the scooter. Scooter, what are you doing? Here's the scooter.
Okay. And there she goes.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Might be a bit of paper left under the pool of coffee. Try to remember what I wrote, and you just laugh. We better have a talk, think it might last until it's dark. When the candle lights are out, I really think it's goodbye. I didn't let
Silly.
you